When wiring a treehouse, several National Electrical Code, or NEC, requirements must be considered to ensure safety and compliance. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the applicable code sections. NEC Article 555.72 states that wiring methods and materials must be approved for use in damp or wet locations. This is particularly important for a treehouse, which is exposed to the elements. Secondly, NEC Article 555.73 mandates ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection for all 120 volt, 15 amp and 20 amp receptacles. GFCI protection is essential to prevent electrical shocks in damp environments. When the treehouse is used as a playroom, additional considerations come into play. NEC Article 406.9b specifies that lighting outlets should not be located less than 6 feet, or 1.83 meters, or more than 12 feet, or 3.66 meters above the floor. Also, NEC Article 406.12 requires that receptacle outlets be located not more than 6 feet, or 1.83 meters apart on at least one wall of each room. These spacing requirements are designed to provide convenient access to power and reduce the use of extension cords. Tree houses have specific requirements as well. NEC Article 555.76 states that tree houses must be provided with a separate equipment grounding conductor, or EC, run with the circuit conductors. This EGC ensures that the metal parts of electrical equipment are properly grounded, reducing the risk of electric shock. Furthermore, NEC Article 555.77 requires that tree houses have a permanent and accessible means for disconnecting all ungrounded conductors from the supply. This disconnect switch allows for the entire electrical system to be shut down for maintenance or in case of an emergency. In summary, the electrician needs to meet the 6 foot to 12 foot spacing requirements for light outlets and receptacles in the playroom area of the treehouse, as specified in NEC Articles 406.9b and 406.12. This ensures that the electrical installation is safe and compliant with the National Electrical Code.